Oh, I feel like dancing to celebrate what JAMB just released. That's why I'm saying a big congratulations to all of you that wrote JAMB this year. I mean, what just happened now is marvelous. JAMB has released the result of the receipt exam, and you can't believe the number of people that got 300 and above, the number of people that passed. And I want to declare that you will be one of them. Type "I claim it" in the comment section. Type "nothing will stop you from entering school this year." I have been saying it that our goal is 300 and above. 300 and above, nothing below that. Now, by now you know N.H.S. You have making videos mentioning his name because he is the CEO of Educare. He worked with JAMB to look at the JAMB results again and ensure that the result that they are giving out is the correct one. He was the one that made sure that JAMB had to give this receipt in where more than 360 something thousand candidates have to receipt in Lagos and Southeast. And after the receipting, now they have released the result. Here is what N.H.S. here said. It is now clearly obvious that this is the best result since 2017. Wow. That is in the last 9 years. From the worst result few weeks ago to the best few weeks later. I saw it, I knew it, and I was right. Congratulations. I feel like dancing. How do you feel? If you have not checked your JAMB result, let me know so I can guide. If you have been having issue with checking your result, let me know. Look at this person. This person got 361. Somebody that was getting 170 before is getting 361 after the receipting. If you have not resat for your own JAMB and you miss any of your exam and you want to receipt, please let me know. Just tell me that you miss your exam, your state, or maybe you scored low before and you want an avenue where you can upgrade and receipt. Also let me know. Drop it in the comment section. Finally, let me say that nothing will stop. I normally say this. Nothing will stop you from getting admission this. If you believe it, drop I claim it in the comment section. Say it, type it, believe it. Nothing will stop you. Even if others are stopped, I am seeing you entering school this year. I am seeing you going for your matriculation. In fact, you are going to invite me. If you believe it, type it in the comment section. You have any issue, let me know. Remember to click on join our YouTube channel so you can become a full member of our channel. Then like this video, click on like this video, share this video right now, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do that, come under the comment and tell me that you have subscribe. There's an important video on how you can receipt for your exam on the screen. Click on it right now and watch.